Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in NFLX. I really like NFLX because we have a royal setup in NFLX. We're above the 200, which is the pink dotted line. We're above the 50, which is the green line. And the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And that's a little difficult to find right now because we do have quite a few things that have turned into counter trend trades, but this is a trend royal bullish setup in NFLX. We're having a nice pullback here on the daily. The setup zone is 517.13 to 521.91. Okay, and if that low from today is in place, your target's going to be 567 and 579. That is only if this low from today of 522.24 that you can see at the bottom down here is in place. Now, just as an FYI, we do have some higher time frame targets that we are still looking for here. And you can actually use these as part of your setup if you would like. Okay, so you can use that smaller time frame target that I just gave you of 567.14. That's off that smaller swing. Or you can use this larger target of 624. There's also the target from this previous swing that we still haven't met of 607. So that's why I wanted all this information to be on the chart for you so you could kind of see what it is that you have as far as choices come with targets. Let me label this for you real quick because it's a little bit jumbled up. And the next thing we're going to ask ourselves is, has it triggered, right? Let's see if it's triggered here on a 5-minute chart. There we go. That's our 522.24. This is where it triggers. The blue has crossed the red. A 5-minute trigger is fine for a day or a swing trade because it is a royal setup. So we have setup plus trigger equals trade entry, and then we manage. What we mean by manage is when we start to get into some of these target extensions, we want to trail up our stops. All right, everybody, that's what I have for you for this evening. I hope you are having an awesome, awesome day, and I will talk to all of you soon. If you're not with us already in the Fib Room, please come in, join us at the Fibonacci Room at Simpler Trading. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me